Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to delete your Evernote account easily. Many people find it confusing to remove their account, so in this video, we will guide you through the process from start to finish, making it simple and clear for everyone. First, open the Evernote app on your device. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top left. Then, from the menu that appears, select the Settings option. Scroll down through the Settings options until you see More Settings and tap on it. Then, click on the three-line menu at the top right and select Profile. Scroll down until you find the Close Your Evernote Account option and click on it. You will see a checkbox indicating that you understand the consequences of deleting your account. Check the box and then click on the Next button. After that, enter your full name and check the box, confirming that you are sending the request on your own behalf. Next, choose your location and enter your email to continue. Evernote will send a verification code to your registered email address. Open your email, copy the verification code, and enter it in the app. Then click Next. Finally, you will be asked how Evernote can help you. Choose the option indicating that you want to delete your account. Confirm your choice, and your account will be scheduled for deletion. Make sure you follow all prompts carefully to complete the process successfully. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video,